Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Take a seat. I am the bald head girl, as you can see by the title. That is the name for me, but my real name is Marshawn. Thank you guys for even clicking this video. I know I have been missing for a while for my own sake, sanity. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been missing and I really deeply apologize. Don't jump down my throat. Your girl has a new background, new setting. So I just wanted to come in and just show you guys my updated makeup routine for the summertime, because if you don't know, I am a NOLA baby and it's hot as your grandma house. So I just came back from Mexico, and girl, when I tell you it was so hot, killed me. I already have on me some sunscreen, and this is the Black Girl sunscreen, and 30, you can get this from Ulta, but I used this when I went to Mexico, and it just gives me a nice glow. As you can see with my face, it doesn't give me that white cast. That is really good. Love that stuff. Just start using it, but I'm gonna just stop rambling. Jose Moran oil. This oil is so good because it just keeps my face nice and hydrated, but I'm only going to use a little bit. Even though it is the summertime, I don't want my skin to be like too oily and too glowy. I still want that nice, fresh, beautiful look. My Fenty Beauty Self Matte Primer is like a necessity in my kit. Even though it's hot, I'm using a lot of products, but I'm layering my products, if it makes sense. I'm just kind of making sure I still want the longevity of my makeup, but I don't want it to be like cakey looking. I just want it to be nice and just, I don't really know how to explain it. Airbrush Flawless Fusion by Charlotte Tilbury, and give myself some pumps. This is what's going to save my face with the humidity. Now listen, I took my Patrick Star. If you have some time, just let this sit on your face and just kind of let it sink into your pores and everything. Just let it just do its work. Don't like try to rush it. But I had I took my Patrick Star setting spray with me to Mexico, and when I came back, I put it in the wrong bag. You know how you don't pack the way you saying where you coming back, and if you do, you tissue is lying. So I had just threw it in my bag, and they threw it away. I'm gonna use my Double Wear foundation. I have the shade 7-in-1 and 6W2 Nutmeg. I don't know which one I'm going to use just yet, because I don't think I got that dark doing my vacation. Let's see. This might work, but yeah, what have you guys been up to? If it's too dark, I'm not worried about that, because my concealer is gonna come and just kind of fix that anyways. So yeah, I'm using my Morphe 439. You guys know I love this brush. I even got a little visitor here, but I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Truffle, and this has a more like orange undertone, and it's just going to just kind of pick up any dark circles that I might have. Literally just a tad bit. I'm not going to like go OD. I'm just going to kind of just give myself, that's like my base layer for my concealer. So As you can see, it didn't really too much add coverage. It just added just a little bit of more coverage underneath the eye area. In my Too Faced concealer in the shade Maple and highlighting my face. This concealer is really good because not only is it water based, it doesn't add too much coverage. It's hot and y'all probably saying that's a lot when it's being hot, but this is just my opinion and my preference.
Well, at first I didn't know, but now it's clear to me.
Taking my beauty blender and blending this out. Usually I will take my brush, but usually when I want my time to be cut in half, I will take my beauty blender. Always keeping my foundation brush close to kind of blend the edges out. I like to keep my eyes last. If you're an OG, you know this. I like to keep my eyes last because I like very full coverage. I'm a full coverage girl. It's very rare you're gonna see a little bit of nothing on this page. Naturalness, like I want to be snatched everywhere I go. So I'm just going in and blend this out with my beauty blender. And I always like to take the back of my beauty blender and just kind of just go over that.
Just like the cat on the mission line. We gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta shake it. Gotta take that for somebody who appreciates all the love I give. So I gotta shake it off. Gotta do what's best for me, baby, and that means I gotta shake it off. Shake it off.
I am going to take my concealer by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Deep Olive. This is the matte finish one. This concealer is so gorgeous. Like every time I wear it, I can just feel like this is something that I want longevity of. So this concealer, and it's very inexpensive. So if you need a concealer, girl, this is the one for you. And I don't need to let this dry because it's very mattifying, well, matte, and we don't want to let that sit too long because it probably will not move, okay? It will not move if we let that sit too long. Okay, make up my Mario soft sculpting stick, and this is in the shade Deep Dark. I still don't know how I feel about this, but it is the summertime. I don't want anything like too cakey, so I'm gonna just do really like the bare minimum with this. It's not like too dark. It doesn't give dark vibe. Your foundation, I mean your contour is like too dark. That doesn't give that. It's give very much like a natural vibe, and that's what we're going for today. So just lightly do this. Reality is your under eyes still gonna crease no matter what you do. That's just in our nature, human nature, just to crease underneath our eyes. These cream blush in Rose Latte, because the Rare Beauty one might be a little bit too light around this time. I got a little tan, so we want to keep it really kind of like that flush red color. So I'm just going in and just making sure. I even like to take the butt of a beauty blender and kind of turn it like this and just make sure we kind of in there, you know, like. My setting powder, I am going to be using my Chanel setting powder, and I got the shade number 30. This setting powder is so good because it's not too heavy, and we want something really light in the summertime. We don't want nothing that's too heavy, too cakiness. We just want something that's going to set and not be too much on our face, and this is it, and it just gives me that smoothness that I love. I absolutely love this powder. Like, it's so pretty, so beautiful. So I just like to go in and pretty much set everywhere that I put that concealer. I know I'm looking really white, and that is okay. That means we're going in the right direction. A lot of people might think this is a lot for the summertime, but this is just me. This is just my preference. This is what I like to do. I like to be snatched. I don't care if it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. I like to be snatched. I want to be together at all times. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and this is perfect for the summer because it gives you that bronzy look, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I'm not mistaken. It just gives you that real bronzy, really glowy, like that really just matching your skin tan vibe. Like, that's what it gives you. So I just like to go in with this bronzer. It's really like a really nice, as you can see, like red undertone bronzer, and that's what I need around the summertime. So I just like to go in with this bronzer. Brush and contour my nose. I'm about to slap my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I do like to take a little bit of Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty with my, what is this, Morphe E4 brush, and just take this and dust this off, just to kind of actually wipe away the cast as I'm still doing it, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. All I really have to do is set my face. Strawberry powder in number 4, and this powder is very light throughout the day, even though it looks like I have a lot of makeup on. Each makeup product that I do have on is very lightweight, and it's gonna last, and it's not too heavy and too cakey on my skin, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be using my Bella blush by Juvia's Place. This is a very corally blush, perfect for the summertime, like perfect. It just kind of just gives my skin like a little, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of my Sarah Hand 1 palette, and this is like the orange color blush. And just take that and just brush my cheeks. Now it is time for my lips. Cola by Juvia's Place. This is a very nice brown liner. I don't know if you can see it. Very nice brown liner. And just line my lips. Take a little bit of Buxom. I love Buxom. Buxom is that girl for Buxom creamy chocolate. See, as you can see, this is kind of like brown, but it's kind of like too kind of purplish, and I don't want that. So take this and just wipe this off. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes I don't want my lips to be like too brown. So I like to take that. It's Milky Gloss by NYX Cosmetics. Now, if you want some brown melanin, girl, I'm telling you, you need to get your hands on this because it's so cute and nude looking. And I like to do this. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty. Just top that up because I love me some hot chocolate. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sometimes I would add highlights, sometimes I wouldn't. Just kind of depends. Fuck it, for the sake of this video, let's just do it. I just couture and conceited. Highlight just lasts me a hell of a long time. Like, seriously. And I just feel like it just kind of highlights the wrong areas. It just doesn't give sometimes. I mean, it's still gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I just feel like it just goes left really quick. That is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me guys know what you do for your summer routine. Do you wear makeup? Do you not wear makeup? But if you're going to say in my comments that, that's too much makeup for the summertime, please tell your mama, because I really don't want to hear it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for the love and support. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified every time I post. And don't forget to follow me on IG. Bye. No lie, she's giving Atlanta Housewives green screen. I'm giving very much that. I'm giving green screen, honey. I'm giving I need to be on the TV, honey. Okay, thank you guys so much. Bye.